Compound moves like this one help you to work multiple muscles at the same time, which is great, especially when you haven't got much time. Let's get you started training the whole body with just one dumbbell. A lot of workouts require you to do high reps and at speed. We don't encourage you right now. If you want to lose fat, gain strength, and build over time, then really you want to learn the skill first. Because when you have the skill, you can lift heavier, and that's where the magic happens. So start light, learn the skill, and then build. Subscribe for more skills and information on training at home. Make training flow with your life, not you working around it. And remember, consistency is the secret sauce. Laters!